Hello, this is George Senda, the real, authentic, original, official, one and only the guy from Pittsburgh, except no substitutes, cheesy YouTube imposters, or cheesy YouTube commentators. And this is Burgh Unboxing, and I have an aside. I sent an email to Michael Vara, and it was returned as undeliverable, so if any of you want to try to write him on my behalf, go, feel free. I did my part. I'll call him up one night and ask him why his email doesn't work. All right, I'm not sure what this is. I think it may be the errant book that went from Pennsylvania to Philadelphia to Hawaii and then parts unknown. This came from Apple Valley, California, so this is not the book. All right. I don't know what this is. We will find out. It's that. It's from Snap Tea. Right there are several. Oh my God. All right. He's got two of them here. I'll have to review these. Trump Titan Space Horse. Looks like a vampire. And Trump Titans Diversity. And I'm not sure about this one. Kathy. Oh, that's too disgusting. I don't know if I want to review this or not, but it's junior high horrors. I don't like this sort of stuff. This is the kind of stuff Kathy likes. I don't like killing of animals and horrific things, so I might just pass on that and give that to Kathy. All right, I will review this. Again, it's not what I thought. That book it keeps saying it's in transit. All right, Snap Tea, thank you for these. I will look at them and review them in sometime tonight. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be, and stay safe out there. Bye-bye for now.